Hey guys, for today's video, I actually want to talk about the Alien palette again. I'm going to be talking about like 3 times in a row, maybe more. But I wanted to I did this for the Bloodlust palette where I talked about like my 5 least favorite. If you guys do want to watch that, it's going to be somewhere in my channel somewhere. But it's going to be a struggle. Honestly, okay, I'm ready to begin. Okay, shade number 1 is gonna have to be probably, okay, number 1, let's start from the bottom. I don't like this Space Cowboy shade. It's like a black red. I mean, yeah, swatch is nice, but like, it's such a weird because it basically looks like black, but like a little bit of red shimmer. Like, honestly, you can't even see the shift. I just don't like that shade. This is probably my least favorite shade in this palette. Area 51, the purple one. I don't like it at all. I always struggle to make it work, and then it always shows up like deeper on my eye for some reason. Like, wow, that swatch is so good. It's like the longer it stays on my skin, it's like the more I blend it, it like turns like weird. I don't know. It looks good on the swatch, but like on my eye, it gets like nasty dark. I don't know how to explain it. Probably my 3rd least favorite is gonna be Moon Rock. It is this like dark gold metallic. I just personally don't like dark golds, or like at least like golden metallics, because I feel like I usually like to use them to like highlight stuff, but like with dark ones I never know how to use it. I mean, yeah, I used that for this one and it came out really nice, but that's only because the 2 outer parts are like very dark, so I can like put in the center. I tried doing like the center dark, I'm just like busted. So there's that shade. And then I think I'm gonna have to go with, I was debating between these 2. This one is like very light, so you have to like really like prime if you want it to stick, the light one. But the dark one, if you pack it on and you don't have a primer and you try to blend it, that shade's not even there. So I think I'm gonna have to go with this dark green one, because it is kind of dry like the purple one. Damn, that color is good. Watch, it's gonna swatch amazing. Just do that. See, it's like I literally can't choose 5 because they're all literally amazing, except that purple and this one. These 2, that's why they're together, is because they just don't work. I know I said I was gonna do 5, but I literally can't do any other ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, if I had to choose one, I mean, it'd probably have to be the light green one. I honestly do love these 2 shades, but like, they gave me the most trouble to work with. This light one would like be there, but like, it would like blend away. But it makes sense, it's like a light shade, so it would just like blend away and leave like a sheer color, which is kind of good if you're gonna go in with that dark green, because it helps it like look seamless on your skin. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be, these are the 5. There's that dark green, that black red whatever, that purple one. You see it getting dark, it doesn't even look purple. We have that weird dark gold, and then we have that light green. Those are probably gonna be like my least favorite out of the palette. Yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Damn, my videos have been coming out so short. They've been like 5 minutes long. Anyways, guys, I love you, and I will see you guys in my next video. And yeah, See you later, guys.